Alright, today I'm going to clean the engine bay. I already took the cover off. So there you can see the engine access cover. And I'm just going to take that off. There's plenty of videos on that. You can see how to do that. It's pretty easy, just removing some bolts. So just got done washing it. Now I'm just letting it dry. I just basically took some citrus clean and sprayed it all over. And then I wiped it down with a cloth, and then I just stuck that garden hose in there and rinsed it off, so it looks about 1,000 times better than it did. Not perfect, but it's a lot better. Alright, so I took this opportunity to use this stuff on the engine cover there. So it's basically just kind of a seal protector lubricant. It comes out as a foam, and it's like 15 bucks I think for this bottle, but it would last forever. Basically just I take a little bit and spray it on there and then just wipe it into the seal. I'm not sure what it does, but it can't hurt. So anyway, yeah, there you go.